Yo, what's up, North Texas barbecue addicts? It's me, Kenneth. In today's episode, I'm going to show you how I take a tomahawk steak from Six Brothers Beef Company and turn it into some of the best street tacos you could imagine at your next get-together or just in your backyard. You're going to want to stick around for these. Like and subscribe. Let's get to it. Alright, y'all, and like I said, we're working with the tomahawk from Six Brothers Beef today, and I've got some North Texas barbecue addicts smoke shake. That's the all-purpose rub. I'm going to put a generous amount of that on each side and all edges. And a tip for seasoning your edges is you can do that right on your cutting board right there and just roll it around on that seasoning that you put on the board, and that'll get it pretty good and covered on the sides there. Show y'all how that looks. Yeah, that's good enough. And so let's flip that over and repeat. Again, just using some smoke shake all-purpose rub. You can use whatever seasoning you like. This is what we're working with. It's got some salt, pepper, garlic, a little cayenne, and some brown sugar, and a little bit of lemon zest. So that's what we're looking like right now. We're gonna throw this onto the big trailer. I did mention we're at our food trailer, Hickory Heat Barbecue. I'll have the information for that down below in the description box as well. I do want to touch this side up just a little bit. There we go. Alright guys, let's get this bad boy onto the smoker. It's chilling at about 250 degrees. I'll show you what else is on the smoker, and then we'll put this bad boy on and get it cooking. So our tomahawk is on to the trailer smoker, and we've got a few other things rolling as well. Got some stuffed peppers right here that are cooking up. We're about to open in about 30 minutes. And I got my boy Justin right here.
Hello everybody.
He's gonna show you what's on the top rack here. So we got some ribs, St. Louis style ribs. It's just about time to sauce them up. We just put this turkey breast on. We're gonna go ahead and sauce that. There we go. So that's what we're looking like, guys. We're just tending to a few other things. There's brisket in the pan over there, tending to a few other things, but we got the tomahawk onto the smoker. We'll show you all that one more time right there, smoking up with some hickory wood, and we'll check on it, I'd say, in about 25 minutes. We're chilling right around 250 degrees, so y'all stick around. So it's been about 20 minutes later, and this is what the side that was on the grates is looking like. And we're gonna crank the actual big trailer smoker up to cook some other stuff. So we're gonna move this guy over to our warming box on the cabinet here, and we're gonna put this side down, and we're gonna keep on cooking. That's looking awesome. These steak tacos are about to be insane, y'all. Stick around. All right, North Texas barbecue addicts, we got our steak that's been resting for about 10 minutes now. I just put it in 2 aluminum pans and let it rest in there and collect its juices. It's time to cut it up, and I'm gonna use my slicer right here. I'll have the information down below for the knife collection that you can get a hold of, or if you wanna just order one. I'm gonna go ahead and go right down the bone here. There we go. We got some toasted up tortillas that we threw on the smoker as well towards the end, and it's time to go ahead and cut into this. Get out of here. Take that tail off. Let's go ahead and cut right down the middle. That's what we're looking like right there. Awesome cook. I'm gonna go ahead and start cutting these into strips, and we'll assemble some tacos and give it a try. So there you got it, guys and girls. The tomahawk steak street taco with some guacamole, homemade guacamole, not made by me but made in someone else's home, so it all counts, right? Then we've got the tomahawk, and we've got some salsa, like some picante sauce, and then that habanero sauce as well on the end. It looks awesome. It's dripping. Time to give it a bite. That's a steak taco. Tastes like a fajita with the picante and the tomatoes in there and the beef. And then you got your tortilla making it that awesome street taco. That's what we did today, guys and girls. Appreciate y'all for stopping by North Texas Barbecue Addicts. Make sure you hit the subscription button and the bell so you can keep track of this barbecue journey. I still got beef over here. I'm gonna take a bite. Till next time, peace. Y'all keep on barbecuing.